Hey guys, today I'm gonna be copying about the sprunkies sound. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, hi. My name is Oren. Really nice to see you, though. Actually, but the creator maybe like this. I'm very happy about. So I'm gonna go to hear more music, though. Actually, bye. Oh, hi. My name is Ratty. Just kind of very happy to see you, I guess. Just I don't really care about anyone. I just feel angry about. But I really control my angers actually. But I just say to here, bye. Oh hi, my name is Cocker. My name is Cocker. Actually, really happy to see you or everyone else. But I'm the scientist, you guys. Why you guys always think I'm the doctor, but I actually the science? But I guess I'll say it here. Bye.
Oh, hello. My name is One. I'm really happy fun. I'm really happy and fun. Always love to hang out with everyone. What should I say? Cockroach Gano. It's very nice to see you though, actually. Bye.
Oh hi, my name is Veneria. I'm very calm as the girls in the class is spunky. So I say kind of wrong a little bit, I guess. But I really like flowers. I would love to do like gardens or stuff or something like that. But I love to do some gardens and just hanging out with Mr. Sun, Mr. Tree, or Wax. But I'm really happy to see you though. Okay, bye. Bye, I guess. Bye bye. Have you're really a cutie flower. Bye. Oh hi, my name is Gray. I actually just want to go that way. Actually, I just not really care about that. So I just say about a little bit. Bye.
Oh, hi. My name's Blood. This sounds say I kinda stupid, but I think I had a big brain about. This is what did you just say? I really had a big brain. Stop saying that. But I really like to see you though, actually. I see how the spike under that bucket. Just I don't want to show everyone. I just don't want to show everyone though, actually. I have to say goodbye about it. Bye.
Oh, hey, what's up? My name is Gordon. It's really nice to see you, bro. Do you guys really like your glasses, or even my clothes, or my tails? But I can't show you, I really can't show you about what's inside of my glasses, though, actually. Let me just show you. It's really like this. I have blue eyes, it matches my goggles, it really matches my goggles lights. But I really like to see you, bro. I always try to hang out with someone. Well, I mean Cocker or One or Mr. Fun. So I just say it here. So bye. Hi. My name is Wax. This is a little bit crazy. Yeah. Oh, calm down. Sorry, I had a little bit crazy up there. My, my name is Wax. So it's kind of nice to see you. But this is one there. I just want to hang out with my wife though, actually. I'm gonna say goodbye, hold it. Bye!
Oh, 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 hi there. Oh, hello there. My name's Sky. Do you like my teddy bear? You say you like it? Oh, thank you. I really like you too, though, actually. My big bro, my dad, Jevin, he always hang out with me because he tried to protect me, though, actually. So, time to say goodbye, bye. I'll keep playing my teddy bear. Bye.
Oh, hello there. Sorry, I just feel really tall because my name is Mr. Sun. Sorry about it. I think the career made me really tall though, actually. Look at I have a really long leg. I really shines so bright. But the creator really made me turn into a human, actually. But it made me really beautiful, really cute. I was like turns like a little sun to in the sky to shine so bright everywhere. But I'm very happy to see you. Yeah, I really like everyone that made it because everyone really make me smile everywhere though actually. Okay, that's it about it. Bye. I'm gonna hang out with Sky or everyone. Bye. Wow. Ow. Ow. Oh, sorry. I kind of applied too high. I guess I gotta apply too far. Sorry. Oh, is that my name? Oh, my name is Dorpo. Really nice to see you. I'm the dragon. I'm the purple dragon in the sprunki. Sorry, I just getting too excited about it. Just fly too far about it. So, but I'm gonna go hang out with Rally Boo, though actually. Bye. Bye. Oh, hello there. Oh, what's up? You little? Oh, sorry, I call you little. I actually really tall. My name is Mr. Shree. Really nice to see you about it. You're just the tallest, or what should I say? I even taller than Mr. Sun, though, actually. So, I really like to see you, though. Hope you will have some flower like me or Veneria. So, let's say over, bro. Bye. Wow! Oh, hello there. Hey, what's up? My name is Simon. I'm the little brother. Oh, what should I say? I'm the brother of Aura. I'm really nice to see you, though, actually. I'm really the fastest buggy in the world, though, actually. But I just love to running, or everywhere I go. Let's just say about that. Okay, I'm gonna say about that. Bye! Woo! Oh, hi there. I gotta do a little bit cringe over there, though, actually. Sorry. My name is. I'm the short in the Spunky Town. I'm Tanner. Really nice to see you. Howdy. You're like my pose my bandana or something like that. Oh, really got a little bit haircut. And some people said I'm literally bald inside about the hat, but my creator gave me a little hair inside about it. But it's really nice to see you about. But I really go to do some shirt jobs though. Does it say about that? Okay. See you later. Howdy.
Just over there. Nice. Oh, there's a dog. Hello. Hello. My name is Mr. Funkapure. A very long name, though. A very long name, actually. I'm the friend of Funbot. Well, I guess we will just said me and Funbot, but I kind of it, or I just doesn't care, though, actually. It must be really fun. Do you want some fun about it? Or something like that. Don't to say about it. Bye! Come on, table. Oh, hi. Hi. My name is Winter. I'm the little kitty cat of Gray. I guess I was staying out of a killer in phase 2, but it wasn't my fault though, actually. Because why was to control me or possess me, so I become like a killer. But I'm sorry, but some people really like me, but I can't think about it. So I really love you though. Okay, now I'm gonna hang out with Great though, actually. Bye. Oh, hi though. Oh, hi. My name's Pinky. I'm the cute little bunny in the sprunki. Do you guys think I'm beautiful? Or it's cute? Actually just try to be like a Wendy for Orlando actually, because I really love him. But he never betrays me. But just really like you guys. I really like you guys too. So I love you. What should I say? I like you. I just say a little bit weird actually. But I was gonna hang out with Orlando. So have luck for the day. Bye.
Hi. Hi, my name is Seven. I'm kind of one of those heroes in Sprunki. I also enjoy about it. Oh, what should I say? In horror. I'm the brother. You guys always say the brother or the dad of Sky by the secure. But I always try to protect him. So that's all I'm gonna say because I don't know what I'm gonna say though. So I'm gonna leave. Bye. Why hello there. Why hello there you. What's up? My name is Mr. Black. And you can call me Black too. Very nice to see you about you. Oh, you guys are scaring me. What funny joke. I'll always be scary. Or evil. But I really try, but well, almost kind of friendly, I guess, but I'm not. Ha ha ha. That's all I can say about. I'm gonna try to possess Winter and try to kill everyone. Bye.